Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you? Okay, the sale order entry form is um quite much. It is now in the right shape, and still we are working on it to make further enhancement. And now more of our focus would be to avoid the chance of errors, right? And the chance of duplication or chance of any anomalies which may happen. Uh, okay, so uh, as usual, we will start with selecting the salesperson, and then we uh, choose the customer name, for example, and the date, the order for what item. So say, for example, it is for the chai. Okay, this is a tea item, and we enter the quantity. For example, 10 packs of this. Okay, 18 per pack. So 180 is this, right? Fair enough. Okay. So these all are automatically calculated. Now we move to the next and we choose the next thing, for example, yeah. And we make it, for example, 20 packs of syrup. Okay. So 20 times 10, that is 200. That's fair enough. Let's take one more. The seasoning. Okay. Add seasoning. Say, for example, 30 packs of this. Okay. What else? Let's one more. That is the oil, olive oil. Okay. Let's try 35 packs. Fair enough. Okay. Now, what we want to do, we want to make sure that as soon as we click some other item and we remove it, if we remove it, so it should wipe off, it should clear. Means the entire line should be clear, right? So if we remove the item name, the product item name, if we remove it, so we have made this enhancement, and I would show you how we can achieve it doing this, right? Another thing we have to do is, let's get it back. Okay, it was oil. Okay, okay, now it is, no, you have to select number 4, that is olive oil, right? Okay, and this is 40, for example, 35. You can take any number. Okay. The next is we want to make sure that the entry of the quantity is always here, not on the here. Okay. For example, if you click here and you want to change anything, so the user should change it here instead of there. If you change it 38, for example, 40, make it 40, it should not be changed, right? So only change which is in this area is the change of the item name. That's it. The rest of all the things have to be done here. Okay. So if I click enter, but it is 40, but it is not, it should not be updating in here. So to avoid, so these are the two things. First thing, I am going to show you that how when you delete any product, what code would be required in order to achieve this, that the entire row gets blank because you have removed this. So let's go to there, and then we will disable this as well. These other things, only this part will remain enabled, right? Even this is going to be disabled. Yeah, okay. Okay, so let's close it, and we go to the Visual Basic. So first of all, when you click in here in this grid view, and then when you go to the view code, in the view code, it opens on this, right? But you see why it is opening in here, because this was the first event which we work on it, okay? So it is showing, but there are so many other regarding the grid view. Here you have the grid view, right? In the grid view one, you have so many events which you can manipulate, you can use them, you can utilize them, right? So we are going to use the cell change. Yeah, it is already shown highlighted. So only this part of the little part of this code is to be written, which tells you that first of all, get the active row, right? That is the row index. It will come into RW variable, right? And then it will check if it is blank, if the user has removed the name of the product, then all its other informations have to be removed as well. So this is the code which is happening, okay, which is affecting that change. Okay. The other thing is that if you go to the form view and you want this to be disabled, you will press F4 here, and there is this enable, you make it disable. This time it is disabled, right? Similarly, this one, this is a quantity text form. You don't want this to be changed, so you will have to disable it as well. Okay. And the same thing here, disable. Same thing here, make it disable. Same thing here, you make it disable. So that now these are only read-only. Only thing which is changeable, it is this. That is okay. This is enable. That is true. Okay. So this is our now form which is now ready. So let's go to the sale order entry, and here you will see like this. Now you select the customer, you select the, you start entering the item. Yeah. Okay. Here we will 10, for example. Yeah. The next item, chlorine. This is has to be remain gray. The next item is this. Yeah. is 20. Okay. The next item is seasoning. Yes, make it say 35. Okay. And the next item is olive oil. Right? Say 29. That's it. So if you remove it, it will get removed. And if you want to change any information, the information will be displayed, but you won't be able to change it. The user won't be able to change it, or the only thing changeable is here. So this is a way of preventing the chance of error and chance of any confusion which may arise. And you don't even have to write extra code to validate all these things. So these will be validated. Okay. Whatever you do here, these are going to be entered. Also, you would like that this information is not changed. Even if you change it, even if you change it, but there are the chances that you may want certain prices to be changed separately, means in a different manner. For example, you have done it, this is right, and this is right, this is the right. So it adjusts that's the right thing it is doing. If you make any change in this calculated fields, it will readjust it because how it is going to be. So this will again improve the accuracy of the system, right? If so, this is our today's presentation for you, that how you can and disable the things and improve the entry and accuracy of the data while entering it. The sale order form is it means the more it is accurate, the better reports will be possible. And this is the data entry, which is if there is some problem left and it is a low level of accuracy, or it is not efficient enough, then the problems in the report will start coming, and the people then have to spend hours to identify what went wrong. So this is very important, that the data entry level, at the root level, the chance of errors are tackled, and the higher is the accuracy at this level, the better will be the reports, and the end user will utilize it in a more effective manner. Okay, thank you very much for joining in.